Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Zikri and my friend Nahdiatul Fadhyla. We are from group 2. Now we want present presenters about type of drama. What is drama? Drama is different types of literary drama. Drama in literature refers to the performance of written dialogue and stage action. It is a literary genre that allows actor to act out a writer's word directly to an audience. But there is more than one type of literary genre, and change are you seen example of them all. Here are some explanation and example of different types of drama in literature. Number one is comedy. Comedy is usually humorous plays, but being funny isn't the only ways to define a comedy. The element of a comedy include like their tone, clever wordplay or turn of phrase, serious topic and addressed in a humorous way, comical, misunderstanding, happy ending, silly offbeat characters. Often ends with a wedding, especially in romantic comedies. One of the most famous example of comedy is William Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing. Beatrice and Benedict transition from foes to lovers with clever banter and more than a few silly misunderstanding. And like all proper Shakespearean comedies, it ends with Wendy. Next we have force. A force is type of broad comedy. It's depend less on a narrative storyline and more on physical humor, side gags, silly jokes. Here, here are the part of physical comedy. Exaggerated humor, slapstick gags, nonsensical storyline, improbable events, one or two settings. Humor is often crowd and inappropriate. Next, we have opera or musical. Operas are dramas in which the characters sing each line rather than speaking. The entire product is at uh, to a musical score. You can tell you're watching an opera if you include this attribute. Musical solely quest known as series. Plot driving passenger that can be non-melodic, a libretto. Set to a musical score subject matter that is tragic, comic, and melodramatic. Can incorporate in element of dance, but typically relies in singing performance, elaborate sets, custom design, and production. One of the most famous operas of all time is Giacomo Puccini's La Bohème. It tells the tragic story of Rodolphe Miami and the war France Bohemia. Set to one of opera's most memorable scores, the story revolves itself over the course of a years. Next, we have melodrama. Melodrama, when you hear drama, you probably think of drama. Melodramas tell a serious story in serious ways. Not sure if a drama is a melodrama? Check in if it include the following. Character tropes such as heroes, heroines, valiant mentors, and each other. Next, presenting by Nahdiatul Fadhyla. Time is yours.
Next, musical drama. It's tempting to put opera and musical drama into the same category. However, their production proves that there are significant differences between the two. Many musicals, such as Les Miserables or Phantom of the Opera, picture above, are adapted from longer literary works. Both of these musical dramas express their themes directly through song and progress the plot with musical numbers. Next, tragedy. Just from the word tragedy, you can assume that the ending will be sad. But there is more to a tragedy than a play with no happy ending. You can tell if a play is a tragedy if it includes a protagonist with a tragic flaw, circumstances that quickly get out of control and not in a funny way. Darker themes than a melodrama, such as human suffering, hatred, or property features, the downfall of a previously heroic or well-liked character and irredeemable ending that results in one or more characters' deaths. Next, history. The word drama means action in Greek. Greek drama began with the work of Aristotle's Poetic, which is the oldest recorded work of dramatic theory. The tradition continued throughout Greek culture, marked by the famous lodging or crying mass of drama, uh, Thalia, muse of comedy, and Melpomene, muse of tragedy. Next, tragicomedies. Tragicomedies are more complex than a drama with a few jokes or a comedy with a serious scene. Some ways to tell tragicomedies: a serious storyline told in a humorous, sardonic, or snide with tragically flawed characters was action, don't result in deed and ambiguous, same broad characters who act in classically comical.
Thank you. And that's all from our presentation. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.